So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a pair of lines ax square plus 2 times a plus b times xy plus by square is equal to 0. They represent two diameters of a circle. That is, clearly these pair of lines passes through the origin. So the center of the circle has to be the origin. So you have a circle. Now the circle is being divided into 4 parts by these two lines. And it's given that area of one sector is 3 times the area of the next sector. So in that case, what is the condition that connects A and B? That's the question. So from the condition, which is the area of one sector is 3 times the area of the next sector. So we know that the area of the sector depends on the angle subtended at the center. It means the angle subtended by one sector should be 3 times the angle subtended by the other sector. So if one angle is theta, the other angle has to be 3 theta. Right? So now theta plus 3 theta, we know that this is 180 degrees. So theta has to be equal to 45 degrees. That means the acute angle between these two straight lines has to be equal to 45 degrees for the given condition to be valid. But what is the formula for tan theta, angle between the straight lines? Tan theta is equal to 2 root h square minus AB by A plus B. That's the formula for angle between pair of lines. So this implies now the theta has to be equal to 45 degrees. So tan theta is 1 is equal to 2 times root of h square. So h square is A plus B whole square minus AB, that is the x square coefficient into y square coefficient, minus AB by A plus B. So this is the condition which needs to be valid. So let us square it on both sides after cross multiplication. So A plus B whole square is equal to 4 times A plus B whole square minus AB. So this implies A plus B whole square, you have here 4 times A plus B whole square. So 3 times A plus B whole square minus 4AB has to be equal to 0. This implies 3A square plus 3B square. You have plus 2AB into 3 is plus 6AB minus 4AB is plus 2AB is equal to 0. So this should be the condition which A and B has to satisfy. Thank you.